Welcome back everyone to Pontos Fathom Hobbies. This is our unboxing miniature review for Battlestar Galactica Starship Battles. I picked up the main box set a bit back and trying to get through playing some of these games. We've also picked up a expansion of the Apollo Viper Mark 7 expansion. The main box set comes with traditional Cylons and or actually not traditional, but the new reboot Cylons and the older style version. They call it the Viper Mark 2. The Viper Mark 7 is the upgraded one. So I decided I'd get an upgraded Cylon as well, and this is the classic Scar Cylon. Again, Scar was an enemy of Kara Thrace. There was a lot of interesting battles with her. So yeah, one thing that's good about these is they come already painted, so I'll kind of deep dive into these and we'll hopefully get this on the gameplay. So it says Battlestar Galactica Starship Battles. The Raider is the primary Cylon assault craft first encountered during the destruction of the 12 colonies. The ship is actually a biomechanical, self-aware living creature with a complex systems of organs, veins, and biological fluids inside of its main body. Like other Cylons, Raiders can be resurrected, so they can continue to develop their skills after being destroyed. This Raider, nicknamed Scar by the Colonials, is possibly the most vicious and experienced opponent encountered. So if you guys remember, this Cylon was, the ship had kind of had like a red scar on it. And it was, I think it was Kara Thrace that was the main protagonist of this one. But yeah, we'll get to explore. This is where we got the 3 cards here. The Cylon Raider standard. Cylon Raider. So it's Cylon Raider. Vessel class, attack 6, structure 15, acceleration 4. We've also got the AI level 10 Scar. So he's been reanimated, I suppose. And it says Scar, +3 hit modifier. This veteran Cylon Raider, nicknamed Scar by the Colonials, is possibly the most vicious and experienced opponent ever resurrected by the fleet. Rumor has it that it was killed by Starbucks and later resurrected, gaining significant experience and a desire for revenge in the process. I never knew that lore. Did you guys know that? That Scar, I know that it had been reanimated. So, you know, in the Cylon reboot series, when you kill a Cylon, it goes off to a Cylon resurrection ship. Actually, the resurrection ships play a lot in, I want to say, in the Exodus expansion. There's Exodus expansion where we have the resurrection ship. I guess the resurrection ship's in all of the Cylon board games, but yeah, interesting. So the talents are Daredevil, dodging, exceptional pilot, evasion, resolute pilot, exceptional gunner, focused marksman, superior aim, good wingman, and resourceful. So I guess he'll also have some things to help interact with other Cylon Raiders. We've also got here the talent cards for the Cylons. And we've got our maneuvering cards. We got our stand. We've got these extra bases as well. Maybe they're extenders. You can extend them higher for high and low flight. Not sure there, but yeah, we got these. Let's check out the mini. And I think that's the thumbnail. What's cool about this one is it's got that scar. I think the paint color is a little bit different from the other ones. Let's kind of do a zoom in here. Oh yeah, and I forgot that these Cylon Raider ships are the face of a Cylon. And he's also quite scarred and damaged. You can see the way they've done the paint job. It's sort of a weathered paint job. That's his scar. So you can tell him from the other ones by that colored marking. And here's the underside. But yeah, and this is how he comes forward at you, flying from the rear. yeah, so that's that. Yeah, so that's going to do it for this one. Looking forward to getting Scar on the board. I'll probably play Scar with the Apollo Viper Mark 7 to kind of mix things up a bit in the next gameplay. So I'll go ahead and do that. And also, let me rebox this. Guys, if you want to help support the channel, we do have a bookstore link down below. The bookstore link can get you to books like August Moldenhauer's Artificial Psychoanalysis of Designer Machines. Actually, in this book, it's kind of relevant topic. This collects the 3 books of artificial psychology on the rise of AI. But in book 2, the Psychoanalysis of Artificial Intelligence, Moldenhauer goes into the origins of sci-fi tropes. So we got like HAL 9000. We go into the idea of the Terminator franchise, the aliens of the the Alien franchise. I mean, so the synthetic beings of the Alien franchise. And then we have a number of things on the Cylons. So there's a chapter here on the Cylons. How they have how the Cylons are human models, how they have faith, and a number of other components here. So yeah, go check it out. Talk about Rupert Sheldrake's morphogenic fields. Talk about the Cylons, and we talk about how AI has, we know there's a lot of talk about artificial intelligence, but there's also talk on the rise of artificial intelligence, and the concept of artificial memory comes up here with the internet and cinema itself. Alchemy and Anthroposophy in the Dune Saga, and the Cat 2 Journals out of Lovecraft's Providence. Guys, check them out. Like and subscribe. Go check out our Song of Ice and Fire gameplay, our other Battlestar Galactica gameplay. We also played Twilight Imperium, The Thing, Infection at Outpost 31, and a number of other games. If you like Ares games in particular, we've got War of the Ring gameplay out there too. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you out on the gameplay. Thanks. Bye-bye.